We've got an epic show lined up, packed with the jolliest experiences and the most exciting surprises. You won't want to miss a second, so stay tuned. About to begin. Afternoon, everyone! Welcome to the Jolly Beanie Fan Meet! Let us prepare for an afternoon of fun and exciting activities with the country's cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheeseburger, the Jollibee Cheesy Yum Burger! To host today's event is a man who has been lighting up your TV screens since Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition. He's a VJ, an actor, dancer, and host for TV shows such as Pinoy Big Brother, The Boys, and Asap Natin To, where he wowed us with his wit.
I love you so Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay hulaan kung sino yung younger beanie na ipapakita namin. Tapos sabay-sabay po natin, nating isisigaw ang pangalan ng hula ninyong beanie member. Pag tama ang sagot ninyo, we'll be revealing another bonus photo or video of that beanie member. G pa kayo lahat? Blooms, you ready? Okay, let's do this. Girls, are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's guess that beanie. Sino kaya itong first beanie natin? Ang cute naman ito. Can you guess that beanie member? Sino? Maloy. Maloy? Maloy ang sigaw ng taong bayan. Maloy? Is this Maloy? That is Maloy! Oh my God! Napakagat ka ng... Okay. Oh, Maloy.
Kuya Robby, dapat manghula ka na, tapos sabihin mo kung tama ko yung hula.
Sorry?
Ay, dapat manghula ka rin.
Manghuhula rin ako?
Yes, dapat kasama.
Oh, sige, for the next photo. Pero, kumasaya mo na natin. Let's go back to that photo. How young were you, Maloy?
That's my first birthday. Yeah,
celebrate
ko with Jollibee.
Malamang ikaw yung nakaputi doon?
Ako po yung naka-yellow.
Just to be sure.
Naka-yellow.
Cute mo
That's my
Ang
first
saya-saya mo ng first birthday mo.
Sobrang hindi talaga ako natatakot kay Jollibee. Hindi talaga.
So before you had that fear na sa mga, generally sa mascots?
Hindi ko na wala po.
Hindi mo na maalala?
Hindi ko na maalala.
May kakilala akong ganyan. Uy! Pero ito, at least, I saw this video or photo na pinost mo, and sobrang nakaka-proud talaga na full circle moment. How do you feel na you celebrated your first birthday sa Jollibee, and now you are one of the endorsers, the ambassadors of this global brand?
I think it's meant to happen. And sa tingin, gusto ko din mag-birthday, gusto ko din i-celebrate yung 23rd birthday ko with Jollibee. Please, Jollibee, make it happen.
Make it happen. Yung isa dito, gusto mag-birthday. Let's see. Okay. Maraming. Sana palapakan po natin si Maloy. Very cute photo. Now, let's try to guess this baby.
Sheila.
Sino?
Joanna daw. Joanna yung stuff ko yun. Stuff ko.
Ako hulaan ko. Si Mika. Ha? Is this Mika? The answer is correct! Okay, there was a stuffed toy beside. At anong pangalan ng stuffed toy na? Inaalala mo ba yun? Hindi mo na naalala? Pero mahilig ka sa stuffed toy noon before or... Oh, okay. Okay, but we have another photo right here, Mika. Can you tell us? Uy! 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 Okay, but we have another photo right here, Mika. Can you tell us? Uy! this bonus photo. Can you
Bonus
tell us
photo.
more about this?
Oh, that was when I was a player sa Star Magic Games.
Ano ang pogi mo? Grabe, no? And grabe yung support talaga ng Blooms sa Star Magic Games.
course.
How did you find that love, support, that overwhelming?
Ay, sobrang overwhelming po talaga. Nahiya na ako mismo sa sigawan ng Bloom sa Araneta ng time na yun. Pero I'm very grateful.
May sumisigaw sample. Paano ito sample dito ng
Ikaw,
Ito, is it safe to say, for the next Star Magic Games of volleyball, makikita ba namin ulit si Mika maglaro?
hindi lang ako, kundi yung ibang Beanie members.
Uy! Sige! Paano? Oh. Lakas naman, ano? Gusto nyo ba mangyari yun? Star Magic Games featuring Beanie? Mag-training na kayo.
Bali nyo hindi ba, volleyball? Bali nyo basketball?
Volleyball, basket, pati boxing. Ba't di ka kaya mag-acrobatics sa Carlos Yulo? Ay! Panalo. Pero yung landing pa ganun, wali ako. Okay. Anyway, palapakan natin si Mika dahil nirepresent niya yung Beanie for the Star Magic Games. Pero next year, hopefully, Beanie na ang maglalaro. Gusto natin. How about for this next photo? Guess that Beanie. Uy!
Ay! Sarah G!
Sobrang cute! Parang tambay sa computer shop.
Parang tumambay sa computer shop, no? Ang cute, ang bata pala ni SG, no? Ang cute! Malamang this is... Sheena! Can you recreate the pose, Sheena? Yung kanina, can you be back? Yung kanina, yan. In 3, 2, 1... Hey! So sweet naman! Do you remember kung kailan mo kinuha to or bigla na lang sa computer shop, tumambay ka lang tapos...
Ay, hindi po. Computer sa bahay namin.
Wow!
Sorry!
Sorry.
Namin yan.
Okay, but for the bonus photo, tingnan natin.
Sorry kaya, hindi ko andar na.
So this was when you were malamang super young. Pero, is this Wonder Woman or Darna? Darna.
Darna. Sa Pinas tayo eh.
Kaya,
Darna.
favorite mo si Darna noon?
Hindi po, pinilit lang ako. Ano yan eh, Mr. and Miss sa school.
Sa school?
Pero luto, di ako nanalo.
Okay lang, hindi ka nanalo nun. Panalo ka naman ngayon eh. Marami nagsasabi, si Darna may quotable quote niyan, di ba? May line na palagi sinasabi. Pwede mo bang sabihin yun?
Ano ba sabihin? Ling ang bato! Ling?
Anong lingding?
Pusa namin! May pusa kasi! Ling kami!
Ling, okay. Sorry. Okay, your line, ma'am.
Ay, sige. Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ling! Ang bato! Paano ba? Ay, isa pa! Ling ang bato! Darna. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
3,
guys.
2, 1, go!
Ling ang bato! Darna! Darna!
Cute to. Ang inosente na yung tsura mo dyan. Okay, how about this next photo? Let's guess that. Uy! Grabe naman kayo!
Ang original Y2K. Cute lang ba?
Grabe naman kayo, ba't yung pinara yung kilay? And the answer is... Gwen! Tatandaan ko yung photo na yun.
Ako nga nag-send yan, pinagsisiyan ko, ano pala dito? Ang laki-laki. Dahil sana iba na lang pinili ko.
Pero tingnan mo naman ngayon, ang itsura ni Gwen. Can you copy that pose? Balikan nga
Paano nga
natin.
yun? Mata lang yung nakabuka.
Mata-mata acting, oh.
Nonchalant pa rin.
Nonchalant pa rin, tama ka. But for
Demure.
this next photo, this bonus photo, papakita
Ano yan? Ay! May bangs na ako dyan.
Cute! Ang cute!
Diba?
Orange ka talaga, Gwen. Parang si Mutya.
Saka may bangs talaga. Micro bangs.
Ano tinitingnan mo dyan?
Ewan ko rin eh. Nangangarap.
Ang cute. But you remember this was in Bicol.
Opo, Bicol, yes.
Ah.
3 years old ata ako nun, tapos parang ini-imagine ko sa sarili ko, nag-feeling ako kumakanta, tapos kaya ako nakagawa.
Well, minanifest mo ngayon. Kumakanta ka hindi lang sa Pilipinas, but all over the world.
Aww.
Diba? The power of manifestation. Tama yan. Okay, thank you so much, Gwenny. How about this next beanie?
Tatlo yung sinend ko ah. Bakit yan yung pinili niyo?
Pinalatawa mo kasi agad. Sino ka dyan? Ha?
Mic check.
Wala bang kasagot natin? I see our birthday girl. Colette.
Puffer fish daw.
Wait lang. Gusto niyo bang i-recreate ni Colette yung photo na yun?
Buti na lang clean up ko yan kasi naka-diaper yan.
Pwede ba? Okay lang ba, Colette?
Ano ba yun?
Sige nga. Okay.
Naka-pout. Ito na yun.
Aba, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ito na yun. Ano?
Okay. Ang cute-cute ng photo rin. How about the next bonus photo natin? Oh.
Ako na yan. Parang,
Oh.
grabe naman ang chicks na yun.
You still remember that photo?
Yan yung mga edad ko na, pag birthday ng kapitbahay namin, nagja-Jollibee, pumupunta ako.
Ah!
Ano yung edad ko?
Jollibee ever since.
Oo, talaga.
Talaga perfect answer yan.
Talaga.
Nako, nakita ko na yung boses natin, extension ng contract. Gusto natin yan. Panapakan natin our birthday girl. But how about... Okay ka na ba, Joanna?
Okay lang.
How about this next beanie?
Uy, bakit ganyan? Bakit narinig? Bakit? Sino nag-edit? Sino nag-edit ng picture? Remy! Guys, parang tumanda ako dyan. Sino nag-edit? Yung original, pa-search po sa X, please. Mukha akong ano dyan, na-allergy.
Now we know the answer. The answer is... Stacy. Stack. Ano ba kalaban mo dyan?
That's not me! That's like my 93-year-old self. Kasi namamaga yung mukha ko doon. But thank you, that's me, yeah.
Sobrang cute. Mahilig ka talaga sa stuffed toys ever since.
Yeah, I love stuffed toys.
Oh. Do you want to recreate that photo?
Pero namamaga rin yung mukha.
Oh, hindi ah. Try natin nga. Sige nga. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Same thing, no?
Thank you, Boo. Wait
Thank
lang,
you.
may fun fact po ako. Si Stacy, nung nag-tour kami sa US po and Canada, may dala rin talaga siyang isang malaking Care Bear sa bag niya, sa aeroplano.
Ah.
Lang, sure.
So, dala-dala mo yun kasi parang safe zone mo ba?
Yeah, actually yan, yung hawak
Ito
ng
mismo.
malaki yan. That's the Care Bear.
Thank
That's
you so
my
much
bias.
for the fun fact. How about for this next photo? This bonus photo, tingnan ko.
Layer. Jezebel yan.
Kanina may Darna, ngayon may Jezebel na tayo. Please explain this photo.
Kasi that time po, summer. So, nasa outing kami ng family. Tapos, ayun, sabi ni Mami, picture ka ng picture. Tapos, ayun. Yeah,
Ayan,
nakatubis ako dyan.
Nauna ka na pala sa islang patropiko, ah. Oh, very, very cute. Thank you so much, Stacy. We got more photos and with that, pakita natin kung sino yung next beanie. And that is Aya. Aya, naalala mo yung photo na yun?
Parang,
Second birthday ko po yan.
Second birthday. Was it here in the Philippines?
in Cebu.
Ah,
Yeah.
May mga taga Cebu dito. You wanna say hi?
Hi, mga taga Cebu!
Si Blooms.
Hello, si Blooms!
Ayan, no? Can we go back to the photo? Kasi ang cute eh. I-recreate natin lahat. Kasi ano, cute. In 3, 2, 1. Gigil lahat. Okay. I'm sure kung ito, nagigil kayo, let's see kung anong maging reaction natin dito sa bonus photo. Ito siya naman ang nagigil ngayon. Ano to? Alam niyo ba, wishlist namin yan ng Pirit na sana makuha kami ng Jollibee?
Opo.
When was this?
Nag-live po kasi ako before, tapos kasama ko mama sa live. Tapos sabi ko na, that's before naging part kami ng Jollibee. At sabi ko talaga, number 1 ko is, sana kukunin kami ng Jollibee. Tapos yun, here we are! Thank you po!
Galing! Jollibee. Palabang po natin si Jollibee. Thank you. And thank you, Beanie, for the power of manifestation. Parang lahat sila, no? Ever since Jollibee kami, Jollibee. Okay. And then, we got this photo right here.
Uy, parang ibang tao. Ang takos ng ilong ko dyan. Grabe.
Grabe, parang nakakontour!
Grabe. Ito mo yan, no?
Batang-batang may kontur.
Edit mo yan, no?
Ayan, oh.
Naka-highlight.
Grabe yung nose line, ha? And of course, this is... Joanna! Joanna! Ang cute! Can you tell us more about that photo?
Parang feeling ko, ilang taon ba? 4 yata? Ay, hindi ko alam. Masyado na ba ako malaki for 4 nun? Ay,
2 years old kasi siguro.
feeling ko mga 2 po. Hindi, 2 years old ako, wala pa akong buhok eh. So feeling ko 4 na ako yan. Yun.
By the way, kinakausap po ng sarili niya.
4 years old ako niyan. Ang ganda ng eyes ko, no? Ay!
Actually, naka-lipstick ka ba?
Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko in-edit na yun. Sino nag-edit? Siguro Blooms nag-edit niyan.
Grabe, no?
May bangs ako, 5 piraso.
Ang ganda, ang ganda. How about for the next photo? Tingnan natin kung Uy! Ay! Blooming! Blooming talaga. Marami ang naghahanap ng sample. Okay lang ba? Naalala mo ba yung ibang spills na ginawa mo for that magical night?
Okay, nagawa na lang tayo ng bago.
Okay. Sige. I-explain mo tong event natin ngayon. Nasa World Trade Center po para sa isang napakalaking Jollibee event ang ating correspondent na si Joanna. Joanna, pasok!
Maraming salamat, Kuya Robbie. At narito nga tayo ngayon sa World Trade Center para sa isang kaganapan ng ating Jollibee Meet and Greet. Kasama natin ngayon ang ating nagagandahang mga Beanie at ang ating mga Blooms na nakakuha ng OTA pictures na magiging access nila para sa nasabing Meet and Greet. Ayan lamang mula dito sa World Trade Center. Back to you, Robbie. Yes!
Alam mo, kinabahan ako sa trabaho ko. Ang galing ang husay mo, but ever since your dream was to become a broadcaster.
Yes. Ano po ko, elementary pa lang. Yun lang po talaga. Parang naka-fix na yung utak ko. Pero syempre, dumating yung Beanie. And ito yung parang naging greatest dream ko na rin. Maging performer. Yeah.
To be in front of the camera, no?
Yes. Oo po, actually, anything na nasa harap ng camera.
Grabe yung, yung kung paano nag-iiba yung buhay. Before, ang pangarap mo, magbalita. Ngayon, ikaw na ang laman ng mga balita. Kayo na. Ang tindi, ang galing. Palakpakan po natin si Joanna. And of course, all of our Blooms. Direk, is that on? Do you have more photos to show? All good? All good? Wala pa ipapakita ng picture dyan?
Bakit parang may pa-surprise?
Ha? May surprise ba? All good. Okay. Kasi kala ko baka pag nag-share ako, pag may guess that photo, makonsider na rin ako as Beanie. Malay mo, di ba? Anong sample? Wala nga ako sinend na picture.
Uy, hindi! Nasa boy group dati si Kuya Robbie. Ano pangalan ng Kuya Robbie?
Wala na yun.
Ano tawag mo na?
Ginger Boys.
Ginger Boy?
Anong Ginger Boys?
Ano yun?
Ginawa pa kaming luya. Giger Boys.
Giger Boys. Ba't ba ako
Also trained by Coach Mickey, who is here as well.
Wow.
Coach, first time ko nakita dati si Coach Mickey na napagod sa boy group namin. Buti na dito siya sa Beanie, supporting the girls all the way. Ang cute na mga photos. So let's give our girls a big round of applause. trip or city trip? 3, 2, 1, go! Beach trip, okay. Parang beach trip, city trip. Dire-diretso lahat beach trip, no?
Yes.
Okay, dire-diretso agad. Kailan ang huling beach trip nyo?
La Union. La Union po.
That was for a concert as well, or a
Yes.
mini-game?
Mini concert.
In the future, meron ba kayong mga gustong puntahan beaches?
Larga.
O baka naman, Miss MQ, baka after na-concert
Kaya,
daw.
Miss MK.
Oo daw, umuha na yung boss namin. Mag-uusap kayo ni Miss MQ mamaya. Okay, beach for our girls. Okay, for the next, balik muna natin mga girls. Dito nakikilala po natin ng slide, actually more ang ating mga Beanie members. Girls, this or that. Go out or stay in. Go out or stay in. Go! 3, 2, 1. Go out or stay in. Go out. Uy! Oh! Uy!
Grabe kayo, decision kayo sa buhay ko.
Ito
Oy,
yung
Ate
ano
Maloy,
natin.
Ate Maloy, pumunta ka dito. Gabi-gabi ka kaya umaalis.
Sabi ng literally ka
Guys,
nito.
alam niyo ba, pumunta ako ng Cubao Expo kagabi. Wala lang, na-miss ko lang.
Talaga?
Katarina ko.
Maraming salamat sa mag... Ikaw lang
Share
mag-isa
niya
pumunta?
lang.
Ikaw lang mag-isa pumunta?
No, I'm with a friend.
Well, it's so nice na pati yung mga members natin at talagang kailangan din nilang makita yung mundo eh.
Yes!
We need that. And also, gusto ko lang sabihin din na we have to respect the private space of our ladies. Diba kasi kung mahal natin ang ating mga iniidolo, kailangan respetuhin din natin ang kanilang private space. Agree ba kayo, Blooms?
Amen!
Of course. Cubao Expo. Okay, ikaw naman, you love to go out, Joanna. All the time. Saan ka palagi lumalabas?
Most of the time, kasama ko family and friends ko. Family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, we got the early bird na palaging... what time do you wake up?
Hindi naman ako laging ano po. Mostly ay paglalabas ako jogging tapos at night kasi at least hindi mainit or hindi gabi super early in the morning.
Yung IG story si Sinihaya and TikTok, puro ganon. Alagay ng phone. Tapos post. Pero thank you for promoting physical and mental health para sa ating lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Go out! Okay.
Yeah.
But yun ang option mo, Mika?
Kasi feeling ko if I stay lang inside, mababaliw yung utak ko na walang ginagawa.
Okay.
So parang sobrang random na lang naman ginagawa ko. Pero may days naman na matutulog talaga ako. Parang pinipili ko yung battles ko.
Well, may mga ganong klaseng moods din tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you so much for sharing going out. Ito naman, nasurpreso ako, yung dalawang housemates nandito. Ha? Dalawa kayong housemates, di ba? Okay. No. Seriously, Sheena, bakit stay in ang gusto mo? You don't want to go out all the time?
Tamad na tamad po talaga akong gumala, lumabas. So if rest day, wala. Talagang pahinga lang.
Oo. Tamang bahay, di ba? Sarap tumambay sa bahay.
Yeah.
Okay, birthday girl.
Ayoko po okay. Tsaka aside sa Bini, wala akong masyadong friends sa Manila. So, bahay lang talaga.
Diretso.
So kahapon, rest day kami, birthday ko. Nasa bahay lang ako talaga.
Relax. May mga ganong
Kung
klaseng
araw
tao
matulog.
talaga. Taas kayo mga taong bahay dito. Katabay. Kasi marami rin eh. Basta ako.
Ako same, pag rest day namin, nagsistay lang talaga ako sa condo. Tapos lumalabas din naman po minsan, pero hindi ako yung parang sila Joanna na todo.
Uy! Grabe! Siniraan ka pa! Uy!
Kasama ko ang, kayo. Bago mong sasakyan.
Uy! Thank you sa kalibing!
Dahil sa Jollibee din yun.
Ay, grabe naman. And of course, 20.
Same po, tinatamad po akong lumabas. So, papahinga lang ako sa condo.
Acceptable naman. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, let's make it faster dito. Ito, mabilis na lang to. Girls, maganda na. This or that. Sneakers or high heels? In 3, 2, 1, go! Sneakers, high heels.
Mga model yan. O mga beauty. Ate
Actually,
Jogo na.
Sneakers or high heels? Yung mga matatangkad na, gusto mang tumangkad lalo, no? Alright, at least nakita natin, mas comfy kasi. Yung sneakers ito, I and Stacey for fashion. Yeah.
Wala lang.
Lagi kasi kami naka-shoes po. So parang ako, if ever na pwede kami magdamit ng kahit ano, ayun, naka-heels po ako.
Oh, extra statement, fashion statement or.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, ladies. Ito, mabilis na lang. Ay, maganda.
Mabilis na, mabilis.
Maganda tong next this or that natin. Girls, this or that, sing with Ariana or dance with Beyonce. 3, 2, 1, go! Sing with Ariana, dance with Beyonce.
Beyonce, dito dapat. Beyonce, Beyonce, sample naman dyan, oh.
Uy, sample daw! Gusto na ba sample?
Sampol.
Kami lahat.
Sampol.
Oh, Beyonce, 3, 2, 1.
Dali na. Hindi naman
Or acapella na dance.
Hindi na. Tikulit pa birthday mo na sa Blue. Dapat na sila may regalo. Hindi. Ganun na rin.
Pa-birthday daw
Ano
para sa
ba?
Blue.
Basta, crazy. So crazy. Uy, Diyos ko. Ay, so crazy. I'm looking so crazy right now. I'm looking so crazy right now. Yun!
Happy birthday! Thank
Bunot na
you.
rin.
Sing, mga singers natin. Baka gusto na rin ng sample.
Si Gwen! Si Joanna na ulit. Nauna kayo dito. Guys, sino gusto marinig mala Ariana si Gwen? Moonlight. I almost is never almost is never enough. So close to being loved. You know? Sana sinisingin ko na.
Galing. Palapakan po natin ang ating ladies. Ito, we go with this or that naman. Simple, no makeup or full-on glam. Simple, no makeup, or full-on glam. This or that, 3, 2, 1, go! Simple, full-on makeup.
Tinatamad ako mag-full eh. Bakit?
Bibigyan pa namin ng chance pa. 3, 2, 1. Ayaw lumipat, ha?
Sorry.
Sorry, okay. Ikaw lang ang bukod tangi na nag-full-on makeup. Bakit? Bakit sobrang hilig mag-makeup?
Wala. Ang ganda niya sa stage po kasi yung mga glitter sa mata, yung smoky eyeshadow. I love that. I love fashion and arts and makeup.
Okay. Well, with or without makeup, ang kaganda ng ladies natin. Agree. And that's why they're the nation's girl group. Maraming salamat. We got a couple of more right here. Takbo agad sila, oh. Sobrang competitive talaga ng bikini. Ito, simple lang. Pero may, cats or dogs?
Hirap yan.
Cats or dogs? 3, 2, 1,
Cats ako eh.
go!
Cats ako. Cats.
Cats, dogs.
Dito na lang po ako.
Pareho, cats and dogs? Cats and dogs? Cats and dogs?
Dito po kami. Or, love all pets.
Yes.
We have cats and dogs. Shaolong and Julian.
And also, I think, besides kay Ling, meron kayong, si Ay may pinakabagong pet, di ba?
Yes!
Kamusta
Hindi
yung
pa nila
update?
alam yung name. Hindi ko pa sasabihin sa inyo, guys.
Okay, so let's hold the update muna regarding that cute puppy, di ba? Hold natin ang update or is it okay to ask
Yes,
some?
mag-post ako. Pero nakakatawa kasi iba-ibang mga names na yung sinasabi nila. Ha?
Bubuyog daw, bubuyog.
Bubuyog. Para daw, nickname Bubu.
Or you
Bubu. So cute.
Secret, mag Mag-post lang ako.
Okay. May name reveal.
Yes.
Bobby. Okay, at tabayanan natin yan. Thank you. So, we know that Beanie loves all kinds of pets, cats and dogs alike. Okay, ito medyo gawin nating interesting ng konti. Lalong-lalo na patungkol to sa ating favorite na Jollibee. Okay, this or that. Original Chicken Joy or Spicy Chicken Joy. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Original lang ako, ayaw ng
Original and spicy, oh. Okay. Pagkita natin na hati. Pero at least, di ba? Pag magpadala ng bucket ang Jollibee, talaga lahat meron na. Okay, maraming salamat. Now we know their choices. Please take note. Okay, Jollibee, yung mga food packs na ipapamigay po natin, especially for Beanie. Okay, ito. This or that, Barkada Salo-Salo, Chicken Joy Bucket, or Jolly Spaghetti Pan? Okay, Chicken Joy Spaghetti. Go!
Spaghetti pan. Spag ako, spag.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And Chicken Joy.
Ah, dito na lang po.
Hindi, pumili ka.
Favorite ko yung dalawa eh. Inuulam ko nga yung spaghetti sa rice eh.
Uy, ginagawa ko rin yun.
Oh my God!
Taas kamay.
Oh my God!
Sino gumagawa nun? Sa sobrang sarap ng spaghetti, pwede gawing ulam.
Seryoso kasi inuulam. Pinagtatawanan nila ako. Kung may picture ako kumain ako sa Jollibee, tas ulam ko spaghetti. Pinagtatawanan ako, inuulam kaya yun.
Diba ang sarap kaya? Ayan na may phone na.
Oh.
Pwede ba ibasa? Direct. Pero isang fan. Pakita natin konti. With approval.
Sige na nga.
Okay. Pakita po natin sa screen.
May hairband pa ako dyan. Color. Oh. Inuulam nga yung spaghetti.
Ay,
Pala
nako.
yung sinento mo kanina.
Maraming. And this is exclusive from UK pa. Maraming salamat. Now we all know sino yung team Spaghetti and team Chicken Joy, but we all love their products. And last item, girls. Last item. Let's talk about their appetite. Of course, they love the cheesy Yum Burger. Pero girls, this or that,
Double.
cheesy Yum Burger or double cheesy Yum Burger. 3, 2, 1, go!
Teka.
And ito, we're talking about their appetite Kasi yung iba, sobrang lakas mag-training. These girls train every single day. Di ba? Every single day.
We, dyan kayo.
Oo.
Kain na yan.
Pressure ka lang. Ano talaga nasa puso mo?
So,
Peer
with-
pressure tawag dyan.
So with
Ano
this,
napipili
nakita
mo?
ba natin kung sino yung malakas kumain? Nakita natin kung sino yung malakas kumain sa grupo?
Yeah, pwedeng dalawa yung kainin nila niya. Tapos,
Ay!
tawag mo si Gwen.
Tanong lang, sa isang upuan, ilang cheesy Yum Burger yung kaya niyong ubusin?
Ako, dalawa. Cheesy hamburger.
Dalawang cheesy Yum Burger?
Dalawa din.
Dalawa.
Dalawa din. 2 to 3.
Oh, wow!
Pero, wala yun.
Binigyan mo pa kami ng option, 2 to 3? How about you girls na double cheesy Yum Burger?
Sa akin, dalawa sila.
Dalawang double cheesy Yum Burger sa
Oo,
apat?
competitive kasi.
Ang daya, tapos ganito yung katawan.
Pero 2 hours yung uubusin yun.
2 hours.
Papahito.
Kayo girls, double cheesy Yum Burger.
Isa. Pero isang chicken, isang spaghetti, isang...
Super mean wala. Okay.
Ako rin. Ganon. Super meal.
Ha? Yung mga Mikaya hearts niyo, ha? Okay, Stacey.
Same with Ate Aya. O, huwag niyo akong awayin, Mikaya, ha?
Kaya nga.
Ate Aya. Isang double cheesy, spicy chicken joy, palabok, macaroni soup, and yung peach mango pie.
Parang yun yung buong menu ng Jollibee.
Yes.
Well, we love Jollibee. Palabaka po natin, our girls, and thank you so much for playing this or that game. Mas nakilala na natin sila. Na-predict niyo ba yung isasagot nila dito? Okay. Speaking of prediction, gusto na ba ng isang laro? One more game before we see those awesome performances from the nation. Right here, let's have Josie, Joanna, and Stacey.
we are Mamen!
Okay, Mamen. Josie, for here, why don't we have the Hambebes? Sheena and Gwen.
Wait lang!
Oo naman.
Ba't alam mo yung mga yan, Kuya Robby?
Siyempre, bloom ako eh.
Wala yan sa ano ah.
Hambebes.
Bongga.
Dito, why don't we have Makulet? Maloy Kulet. And of course, we got Mikaya para dito. Okay, talikod muna and then I'll be giving you a category. Pag sabi kong 1, 2, 3, dapat pareho yung sagot ninyo. Kung hindi, walang point. Pag tama, you got 1 point. You got only 2 rounds. So maramihan to ah. Alam ko kung gaano ka-competitive ang Beanie members. Naalala ko pa rin yung vlog natin. Hanggang ngayon, naalala ko, may nagsabi sa akin, nandun pa rin yung coconut sa bahay, sa kwarto. Okay, let's do this. Are you ready for our Blue Pack Nurse?
Go!
Unahin muna natin, Joanna and Stacy. Josie. Okay. Gaano kayo ka-confident na manasagot nito?
Hindi po ako.
Josie! The question is, again no coaching. Name a usual item na makikita sa bag ng isang Beanie member. Name a usual item na makikita sa bag ng isang Beanie member. 3, 2, 1, go!
Phone! Ano? Hindi sabi ko phone, di ba?
Phone?
Nungaling.
Narinig ko. Oh.
Makeup sinabi niya, guys.
Makeup and phone? I'm so sorry.
Meron din akong makeup na
Yung
phone.
makeup mo may telepono?
Oo.
Ang advance mo naman ha? Grabe.
Sige, talo na tayo.
Okay, walang point para sa Josie. Tingnan natin ang Hambebes. Hambebes. Okay. Sheena and Gwen, name a favorite pastime ng Beanie pag rest day. Name a favorite pastime ng
Matulog.
Beanie pag rest day. 3, 2, 1, go!
Matulog!
Yes!
Ay! Nag-usap yan. Nabasa nila. Guys, nabasa nila yung script. Nag-usap yan. Tama din sa
Matulog.
ko.
Correct. Mga staying girls, no? Okay. Tingnan natin ang makulit. Ikaw magkapuntos nga ba? Maloy and Colette. Uy. Good luck. Medyo mahirap to. Maloy and Colette, name a favorite Gen Z expression ng Beanie. Okay? Name a favorite Gen Z expression ng Beanie in 3, 2, 1, go! Hey! A is tubak! Ayos! Correct. Eto. Mikaya. Okay, ready. Sabi nila, tubig. Wala pa yung tanong eh. Okay. The question is,
Totropahe.
name a dream destination ng Beanie. Name a dream destination ng Beanie. 3, 2, 1, go!
Japan! Hindi!
Japan. Correct.
Ano background yan?
Okay, so ang score natin, 1, 1, 1. Kaya pa kumabol.
May backstory.
Kaya pa kumabol. Pwede pa. Balik tayo kay Josie.
Galingan mo naman, be.
Okay.
Oh, ikaw din, galingan mo. Ano mo? Isipin mo ako. Huwag isipin mo. Yak! Hindi kita iisipin. Akong isipin mo.
Nagaw!
Eh, ba't pa iisipin kung nasa puso na? Okay. Ito, we'll go to Jollibee Trivias naman. Okay?
Ayan, Jollibee.
Jollibee Trivias. And remind lang sa ating girls, please use the mic, okay? Ready? For Joanne and Stacy, name one of Jollibee's friends. Name one of Jollibee's friends. 3, 2, 1, go!
Henny! Oh, di ba? Hindi sana sasabihin ko. Kasi inisip kita. Hindi sasabihin ko.
dapat isasagot ko eh.
Ang saya nila, parang nanalo na sila. 1 point, nakahabol na. Palawakan natin, Josie! In a game! Okay, tingnan natin kung ano magiging score ng Hambebes natin. Sheena and Gwen. May sinasabi sa Palero?
Sunday.
Okay, tingnan natin ha. Name one usual dine-in food sa Jollibee. Name one usual dine-in food sa Jollibee. 3, 2, 1, go!
Cheesy hamburger.
Nag-uusap.
Nag-uusap talaga yan. Uy! Tinend ko kasi yung script sa amin.
Stick ka nasa isip ko eh.
Oh, pero ang sabi mo ay?
Cheesy hamburger.
Cheesy hamburger.
Kinakabahan ako.
Tumpak! Okay, 2 points. 2 points ang Hambebes natin. In order to tie. Okay, girls? Kailangan makuha nito.
Basa po muna.
Okay, Maloy at Kulit. Makulit. Jollibee question to. Ha? Binigay sa akin to. Ha? Okay. Question for Maloy at Kulit. Name one reason bakit ka na-late sa call time. Name one reason bakit ka na-late sa call time. 3, 2, 1, go!
Late nagising!
Nag-swimming!
Late nagising.
Late nagising? Late nagising? Sino ba pinaka-late sa call time? Huwag na natin i-discuss. Nakatingin sa akin si MQ. Huwag na. Late sa call time, late nagising, tumpak. So pareho na, oh. Okay, in order to tie, may kaya. Ito na ang tanong. Munti ko na ipakita sa inyong dalawa. Ready? Ito pag hindi ba nakuha. Name one ingredient. Name one ingredient of cheesy yum burger. Name one ingredient of cheesy yum burger. 3, 2, 1, go! Cheese! Cheese is tumpak. Okay, palampakan natin ating girls.
Chris, nag-aaway na yung Josie.
2, 2, 2, and 1. Pero feeling namin lahat kami nanalo sa game na yon dahil yung tumpak na tumpak yung feelings namin tsaka excitement namin sa mangyayari later. Especially, we're gonna be seeing more performances of our ladies right on the stage. Good job! So ang ating winners, actually lahat tayo, congratulations. Isang buwang bragging rights meron ng ating okay ka lang ba ulit? Okay, palapakan po natin! Bini! Much deserved rest and relaxation, diba? Okay. A while ago, I was telling the Looms na, syempre, kanina, yung imilaw, tumatawa. Di ba nag-request ka? At sinabi mo, never ka ba naka-experience ng Jollibee birthday celebration? Right now, actually that's a big surprise. We will make it happen right here. So, let us make this moment shine brighter as we celebrate the birthday of our very charming, very demure, very cutesy, and OG nonchalant, Bini Colette! I want to say happiest birthday. So, syempre, kailangan maging engrand and special itong moment na to. Hindi lang para sa lahat ng Blues, pero para sa sa'yo rin, di ba? So, Colette, you are a special part of the Jollibee family, and we want this day to be a memorable day for you, Jollibee style. Jollibee, can you approach our queen right here, the birthday girl? Ayan. And to join us in this celebration, let's welcome on stage Jollibee Philippines' President, Sir Fern Siu, our VP for Marketing, Ma'am Dorothy D. Ching, and Senior Manager for PR Partnerships and Sustainability, Sir Dennis Reyes. Let's give our bosses a big round of applause. Of course, we got Jollibee on the stage. An exclusive Funko Pop, oh. Jollibee style. We got this beautiful cake for our girl. And syempre, hindi kompleto ang celebration kung hindi tayo kakanta ng happy birthday. Okay, Blooms, you know what to do. Let's sing happy birthday for Beanie Colette. Girls, please take the lead. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
A happy and jolly birthday, Beanie Colette! Okay. Making her wish, blur candle. Happy birthday, Colette on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday.
Wishes do come true. Okay, speaking of wishes, ano ba yung pinaka-wish mo para sa birthday mo ngayon?
Good health lang po with Beanie and parang inaano yung emosyon ko, kinokontrol ko. Hindi, good health lang with Beanie and longer po relationship with Jollibee.
Ah.
Thank you po. Grabe, 23 ngayon ako nakapag-Jollibee na birth. Amazing talaga si Lord. Thank you, Lord.
And thank
Thank
you
you,
so
Jollibee.
much. Thank you, Jollibee, and to our bosses. They just went down. Maraming salamat. Let's put our hands together for our Jollibee executives to Jollibee. And happy birthday once again, Beanie Colette! Okay, akala nyo ba yung birthday girl lang yung may surprise? Siyempre hindi, dahil may surprise din ang Blooms para sa inyo. Okay, Blooms, you remember that part sa labas na pwede kayong magsulat? Diba? We will be doing it right now. Before the show began, nagsulat po ng letters ang mga fans para sa inyong lahat. Can we have the box? I interviewed someone a while ago. Sabi niya, dati hindi ako nakikinig ng OPM. Pero dahil sa Beanie, I'm a big fan. Would you like to say anything, something to all of the Blooms na nandito ngayon?
Yes, Blooms! Thank you so much po sa maagang pagpunta dito. Parang yung iba daw pumila pa before 10 a.m. And maraming salamat po. Yung iba siguro may mga work or may mga pasok hindi natin alam. Pero thank you for making time. Hindi, may mga nag-work ng Sunday. Yes. Ay, kasi may nag-work ng Sunday, di natin alam, di ba?
Yes.
Pero yeah, thank you for... Thank you for making time. And syempre, may nakita nga akong tweet na parang itong Jollibee na photo card era na to, parang it hits different. Yung parang parang mamimiss daw nila kasi nga, iba nakita natin yung frustrations ng mga nakakabunot, may mga kinikilig, may mga umiyak, di ba? And ang sarap lang sa feeling makita namin yon na sa lahat ng ages, may mga bata kaming napanood, mga teenagers, mga adults, and thank you po, thank you dahil kahit papano, ganun pala kalaki yung nagiging epekto ng Beanie po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Right? True.
Thank you. Anyone want to add to that?
No, I'd like to add, pero yes, nung nag-release po ng Beanie cards, yung Jollibee, grabe nga, hindi namin in-expect na ang daming mag-enjoy, na ang daming mga, hindi ko in-expect na kuya, ating friend ko, yung parents nila, nag-message na, nakuha ko yung card ni ganito. So parang nakaka-happy na makita silang happy. So gusto lang namin na ganun yung impact namin, Beanie. And we thank you for that po, kasi you also feed us that kind of happiness.
Sana may season 2 ng photo card.
Oy! Yun talaga bida ang saya. Actually, kanina, sinabi ko right after this campaign, kasi it's a very, very successful campaign ng Jollibee. Agree? So sana may part 2. At ang sigaw ng bayan ay... Malay mo, we manifested it right here. But again, thank you so much to our girls for being this huge energy of happiness. Talagang bida ang saya and positivity. It's so nice to see everyone grow in the performance area and how disciplined they are in their craft. Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, they train every single day. We see how you pour your hearts out every time we see you on stage, at maraming salamat for soaring high and for empowering this generation that when you work hard and work together, ibang level ng husay at ang iyong mararating, di ba? Everybody! Ladies, let me keep those for you. Maraming salamat as they prepare right now. We have our beautiful girls on the stage. So, without further ado, let's give a thunderous round of applause for BE!
Ito'y mabasa yung tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda pagka nasa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, pag-asa nga ba presence is a blazing. Talking French will keep you guessing. Though you got a little candy crush, make it forget you never get enough. Every day celebrate you and me. Every day it's a birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want sweet, it's sugar on top. If you want spice, you turn the heat up. Baby, you can cake better than what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Baby, on my feet, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, you can cake better than what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, it's a berry, but kind of candy. It's a clown, chicken, my own, just so fancy. You can't deny, no, you can't deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Those like the sorry eyes, one look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights, I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, a twirl, not your average girl. Got you clutching the pearls, cause you know who I'm the world. Every day, celebrate you and me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on top. If you want it spice, you turn the heat up. Baby, you can cake better than what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Baby, on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, you can cake better than what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try. If you want sweet, the sugar on